a great thing to create an industrial park. When an industrial park is created, it is not meant to spoon feed you. It is meant to give you a facilitation to invest as people of Siaya. And I know you are very hardworking. And so our investors, those who have some money, please bring them home. Bring that money home, come and invest in this industrial park so that we can create jobs for our people. We want our people not to go to Nairobi, to go to Kisumu to seek for jobs. We want them to work here. And there's an area which has been ignored, and I hope it will be included in this. That is the ICT, the outsourcing. Outsourcing business creates a lot of jobs in other countries, including just a few jobs in Nairobi. But this one in Siaya here can be the first rural outsourcing facility for in the whole country. And I will be very happy if we can create it. I hope, Jim, it is part of it. And I also want to, I don't want to say much because this is a function which is not for politics. We didn't come for politicking. But please, Honorable Kuria, I'm sending you to the President. Please tell him not to push this our people. They should know that as legislators, we have a role of oversight. And when I declare that I'm supporting the government of the day, what does it mean? Does it mean that I have abandoned my role as an oversight member? There are three, there's separation of functions. There's the executive, there's the legislature, and the judiciary. And they are independent. That I am part of the executive to bring development. It is the responsibility of the executive to bring development. It is my role to make sure they do it. And it is my role not just to encourage them, but also to make sure that I oversight them so that they don't sleep. I wake them up when they are sleeping. But when I say I'm part of them, so that I bring development, does it mean I'm going there to beg? I'm not a beggar. I'm representing my people. Those very few remarks, I would